Dilip Shanghvi. Dilip Shanghvi was born in 1st October 1955. He is an Indian billionaire businessman and one of the country's richest people. He founded Sun Pharmaceuticals. The government of India awarded him the civilian honor of Padma Shri in 2016. India Today magazine ranked him the 8th in India most powerful people of 2017 list. According to the Forbes, as of October 2019, Dinesh Shanghvi is the 12th richest person in India with a net worth of 6.9 billion US dollar. Vision of Sun Pharmaceuticals: reaching people and touching lives globally as a leader provider of valued medicines. Sunology, a combination of two words, sun and ideology. At the core of Sun, humility, integrity, passion, and innovation together form a Sunology. It is a way of life at Sun. Dilip Shanghvi hails from a Jain family who was born in the small town of Amreli in Gujarat to Shandilal Shanghvi and Kumud Shanghvi. Shanghvi earned a Bachelor of Commerce degree from University of Calcutta. He spent his childhood and college life with his parents in Calcutta. He started his career by helping his father in his wholesale generic drug business in Kolkata. It was during the work that he thought of manufacturing his own drug instead of selling other product. Dilip Shanghvi started Sun Pharmaceutical Industry with the capital of 10,000 in 1982 at Vapi, with one psychiatric drug. In 1997, Sun acquired Caraco Pharma, a loss-making American company, with the aim of expanding Sun Pharmaceutical reach in the United States. Sun also acquired Israel Taro Pharma in 2007. Sun acquired Ranbaxy for 3.2 billion in Sun stock. Sun would take on 800 million of Ranbaxy debt. In 2015, Sun Pharmaceuticals is the largest drug company in India and the fifth largest in the world. Daiichi is the second largest shareholder in Sun Pharmaceuticals. In 2018, Dilip Shanghvi received Lifetime Outstanding Achievement Award. Sun Pharmaceuticals receives Outstanding Contribution in CSR. Sun Pharmaceuticals receive Best CSR Practices. Dilip Shanghvi receives Entrepreneur of the Year Award in 2017. In 2016, he received Padma Shri Award and Community Care Award. In January 2018, the Indian government appointed Dilip Shanghvi to the Reserve Bank of India's 21st member Central Board Committee. He is the chairman of Board of Governors at IIT Bombay. He was made a trustee of Rhodes Scholarship Program at Oxford University in 2017. In 2019, journalist Somadas authored The Reluctant Billionaire, the first and only biography of Dilip Shanghvi published by Penguin Random House. The book was nominated for the Tata Literature Award in the Best Business Book category in November 2019. In 2020 September, the net worth of Sun Pharmaceuticals is 8.7 billion US dollar.